Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make easy chutney without coconut.
This is a tasty recipe to be served along with dosa and idli. We need only less time for this chutney recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 2 tablespoon dal, 4 to 5 garlics. Roast for 1 minute. Then add half cup of peanuts. Mix it well. Roast for 3 to 4 minutes. If it is roasted peanuts, we need only lesser time. Now add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. If you need it to be more spicy, you can add some more chili powder. Roast for 1 minute. Add half cup of tamarind water. For tamarind water, we have taken 1 teaspoon size tamarind. Mix it well. Add 3/4 teaspoon salt. Cook for another 1 minute. After cooling, transfer it into a grinder. Add 1 cup of water and grind it. We get very thick chutney. For the final ingredient, in a pan take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 3 dry red chilies, half teaspoon asafoetida powder. Finally add 7 to 8 curry leaves. Roast for 1 minute. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon and switch off the flame. Now add the final mixture into the grinded paste and mix it well. Our easy chutney without grated coconut is ready. We can serve this tasty chutney with idli and dosa.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.